In this video, I'm going to show you the Dynamic Trend Trader Forex system for the MetaTrader platform. The Dynamic Trend Trader is a complete set of indicators, as you see here on the screen, with a trading methodology. Although it can be used to trade almost any Forex pair on most timeframes, I'm going to show you how to use it on the British Pound US Dollar pair. So, as you can see, here we have our trend line, which shows the uptrend by turning blue, or the downtrend by being red. We have our stop loss zones here, where we would place our stop losses just behind these dots, and follow it up or down depending on which way we're trading. We also have the yellow dynamic exit dots, as shown here. In addition to the dynamic exits, one could also take hard take profit targets as well. So, for example, if we're going to look to buy long, once we have a change in direction, as indicated here, we could either enter the trade right there as soon as the signal occurs, placing our stop losses just below the blue dots, giving us a really tight stop loss in this case. Or we could wait for the price to retrace back down to the line and enter at a better price as shown here, and of course put our stop losses here. As the price starts moving up, we would move our stop losses to trail it. In this case, we could have exited at a take profit with a very large move right here. Or if we were in for more than one lot, or more than one mini lot, or whatever we're trading. Let's say we have 3 that we've entered. We could take our first target here, our second target here, our third target here to scale out of the position. Also, let's say we want to look for a sell entry to sell short. In this case, we could have entered here as soon as it turns red, placing our stop loss up here and following it down as it moves, and taken our target here. We could also have gotten another entry by waiting for a retracement. If it hits here, placing our stop loss here, trailing it, the price would have come up here but would not have hit our stop. Come back down, and we can exit any place in here. Or if we're still in, we would have gotten stopped out right around here. Looking for a re-entry to buy, we could have done it here as soon as we got the signal, placing our stop loss here, or we could have waited for a retracement to any of these places and then followed it up. In this case, if we were still in, we had a dynamic exit. As you can see, this is real time. The market is actually moving and we would have exited here. So I'll scroll back and we could take a look at some more examples. As you can see, there's a lot of opportunity. So, for example, we could have entered here, exited here with our stop loss here, or scaled out if we were in for more than one. We could wait for a retracement when it gets near the line, and then enter, exiting again, moving our stops down. And then we have a reversal here, where it's going to start heading back up. We could get in here, and then exit here. In this case, it turns red again. We can enter right here, catching this move, or we could have waited until it came back to the line, entering here, exiting here. We could have re-entered around here when it comes back to the line, and then exited here, and so on and so forth. If we re-entered here, we'd have our stop, or just keep our stops behind these. Here's our exit, again here, exit. So, as you can see, the Dynamic Trend Trader is a powerful system. It's real and it could be used to trade multiple markets. So get your copy today and you won't be disappointed.